So today I am going to give you a really quick but life transforming tip for your business, but it's also really important in all aspects of your life. So I've been running a wellness business for 18 years and built my face yoga expert brand internationally, and I now train other people to be face yoga and gua sha teachers, and I also teach women in wellness how to grow their business and brand. And this is something which I always share, and I think it is so important, and that is, remember that other people don't think about you as much as you think they do. Now, when I say this doesn't mean that other people don't care about you, but what we tend to do, we tend to spend our lives, and sometimes we even run our lives or our business, worrying what other people think about us. But the reality is, those people aren't thinking about us. Yes, maybe occasionally we've gone through their thoughts for a few seconds, but I guarantee what is really holding their attention and what they're thinking about most is themselves, and they're thinking about what other people are thinking about them. So what is actually happening is they aren't spending the days, the hours, the months that you may be anxious that they are thinking about what you're doing, thinking about your business, thinking about how you live their life. They are absolutely not. What they're doing is they're thinking either about their own life in a really positive, helpful way, which is hopefully what they are doing, or they are worrying what other people think about them. So my tip to really run your business in the most successful way is don't waste any time worrying what other people think of you. Make every decision based on your heart center, on your soul, on your intuition. Remember, you're on your own journey. And even if there are some people out there that are thinking negative things about you, yes, it may be for a fleeting second or a fleeting moment. Does that matter? And should you let that rule everything you do? The answer is absolutely not. So I want you to start living for you. Ask yourself, what do you want to do? And ask yourself, if no one was looking, what would you do? And actually the steps that you would take in your business may be quite different compared with the steps that you're taking because you perceive other people are thinking about you or they're judging you in some way. So start living for yourself. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.